Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're looking at this. This is a original iPhone cable, not for the original iPhone, but it's a authentic, genuine Apple one. It's not in very good condition, as you can probably tell. So one end's USB-A, the other end is Lightning. And over the years, this one's gotten quite damaged. It looks a bit dirty on one end, but if you look, it's all started to crack. A lot of the actual rubber coating has started coming off. It's actually very hard in some places. If we go like that, you can see it's all hard as I bend it, it's all breaking off. You can see all this is just coming straight off. So I'm not sure if this normally happens with age or it's just the environment it's been in. Let's have a look at it all. And let's have a look under. So for whatever reason, the inside of the coating appears to be green. That might be because of oxidation from some copper that's in it getting onto the cable, but I'm not really sure. Doesn't look like there's any copper directly beneath it. It's all silvery. But I don't know, maybe it can work its way through. So I thought while we have this cable out, a few things we can try out, and we can see what's actually inside it, because obviously you don't have much use for this cable anymore. It also doesn't work, in case anyone's wondering that. So I thought I might as well get some good use out of it and have a look inside. So I've got the Lightning connector here. Apparently there are chips in these. Also chips in apparently USB-C cables. I've never opened one, so I can't verify that, but I've got the pliers here so I can try cracking the end open and we can check ourselves. Okay, that's not going well. Okay, apparently that does not want to open up. That one just broke as well. Copper wiring whenever as I did that. Maybe it's a shield on the outside. It's sort of broken off if I've twisted that. I wonder if we can check in and see what's on this side. That one is cracking. That's starting to deform, but I don't think I have much luck with this. I think if I get something under there to break it off, but it doesn't look like it. I've got this that I think we can try is maybe opening up this way. If I had a second pair of pliers, I could sort of grab it like that. I don't, so I'll try just going against the table. Okay, that's broken off. So we've got the Lightning connector here. Just here, it's maybe supposed to be some wires coming out that connects to the board, or maybe I think it is a PCB that's just in there, and that PCB is always going to have the traces on it, so that's how it connects. And if you look here, you can sort of see the rest of the PCB just sticking in there. We have plastic around here. Wonder if we can crack this down to that soft. That shot out, but not break. I'll put it in the middle, maybe that will stop it from coming out. Actually, there's a small crack there, so maybe if we try this again, it might work. That's definitely bowing out. It's sort of working. You try a bit more here. It's sort of working. Let's sort of peel this off now. It's not working perfectly. Oh, it's slowly getting there. So you can sort of see that there's a metal pieces on the outside of the plastic. So there's the outside plastic, then there's a piece of metal, then more plastic with the PCB embedded into that. I wonder if I could try sticking something between the plastic and that metal and try to maybe pry the plastic off the outside. Okay, so I've got these little wire cutters. So I think I might as well try seeing if I can use this to cut some of the plastic off the outside. That one went flying. Good thing I'm wearing eye protection. Slowly working our way through this now. That's actually, I think it's broken off now. I see there's a bit of what looks like glue at the end of the cable between that and the metal piece. There's the end with the plastic on it now. I can try cutting. Ooh, look, it's folded around, so might be an issue with the glue. I think it's like a silicone sort of glue. Might be able to grab that maybe. Maybe actually I can just, there we go, that work. So it's opened up one end. Maybe I leave this against the table. Ooh, that's started to unfold. Let's just repeat that again. And again. Okay, what about half of it off? So under here it's just more plastic. Maybe if we can get the metal off completely, you can try crushing that to get it off. So it looks like it's all attached. Doesn't look like it's going to come. So the next thing I can try is just cracking this because there's enough plastic exposed. Is that enough? No, that does not seem to work. So I've got no idea of how I can get this any further. At least no reasonable ideas. So I'll probably leave this video here, and this last part is a bit of a failed experiment. I think we can also have a look at the cable looking side. I've tried peeling off. You can see a few layers in here, and that's just a cross section of the actual cable. And also try going a cross section this way as well. There's some fibers, like non-metallic fibers in the middle. No, there's to add strength to the cable. So I'll leave the video here. So if you like the video, comment down below your thoughts and ideas, and subscribe so you can see videos like this in the future.